What up? Magnetic here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you like some of this content I'm giving you, please give me a thumb up, smash that like button. Here we have an ADG330, it's a Maytag, and they're talking about when they pay for the machine to run and it accepts the money, it doesn't work. So automatically I'm going straight to the touchpad first, because once you pay, it sends a signal to the computer that is paid, and then once you hit the touchpad, it automatically sends a signal back to the computer to what component need to run, the flame, the start, and everything of that. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. You take off the front panel, and the touchpad is stuck on. It just stick on, and you unplug it from the back. You feed it through the little slot right here. It's that simple. That's the touchpad. And you replace it. You just take off the back, peel off the back, feed it through the hole, line it up. Now you can just line it up back to the spot that it was in before, because you can see like the dirt marks going around. And then you just go back here, fold over the ribbon cable, and put it on, bang. Put it on, close it up, and put it back on. That's it. That's how you change the touchpad on an ADG330 machine, all right? You know I'm limited on time, so I just want to show you guys that there is no screws besides to unlock the panel and the one screw that holds the computer door closed. That's it. The touchpad sticks on, and the one ribbon cable plugs it in. That's it. That's all you got to do to change the touchpad on the ADG330. Magnetic out.